We're going to go with it. Okay, what number was that one that we were just talking about? Number 6. So right here, this is one place value, this is one place value. So you're going to have 6x plus 44 times 100 minus x is equal to 500. If you to give you a 6x plus a 400 minus a 4x is equal to 500. If you went ahead and moved it 2 decimal places to get 60x plus 40 times 100 minus x, and now that's going to be moved over 2 units, so that's going to be the 5,000. Can you see that? To give you 60x plus 4,000 minus 40x equals 5,000. So you literally could have done it either way. Okay? Does everybody understand that one? Who said no? You were not here. You gotta listen to a video. Okay. Number 7. What'd you get for 7? Where was I at? Harley. Raven. 400 minus 16x. Very good. 400 minus 16x equals 15x plus 18. Number 8. Caleb. No. No. What is your LCD? Your LCD is going to be y, so you're going to multiply this entire thing by y. When you do that, y divided by y cancels out, so you just drop down the numerator. So that's 17 plus y. Go to the next fraction. You drop down that numerator because the y's cancel out and the denominator's there. Go to the last fraction, you're going to have 100y because the y's canceled out in the denominator. When the denominators are all the same like that, you literally can just go like that and cross them off. Right? Those are all the same. Okay? Do we understand number 8? Okay, turn it over, number 9. Number 9, where are we at? Kevin, number 9. 10x minus 13 equals 4x plus 1. Excellent. Number 10. Mason. Kevin. 13 minus 4x equals 6 plus 3. Excellent job again. Number 11. Caleb. That should be a 2. You just can't read your handwriting. It's a 2. Very good. Number 12, Raven. Layla. No. Stackhouse? No. 12. We're on 12. Kevin? Nope, let's do 12. Okay, number 12. What's going on with 12? We have 2 different denominators, do we not? They're different. So what are we going to do? We're going to smash them together and make that one denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by x times x minus 5. Do we see that? So when we go to the first fraction and we do the division, these x's right here are going to cancel out. So what remains is going to be the 1 and then the x minus the 5. Do we see that? Go to the second fraction. Plus, well, this time, this whole thing is going to cancel out with this whole thing over here. So what you're going to have is these 2 cancel out. So what remains is going to be the 2 times the x, which is going to equal, what's 0 times anything? Forever 0. So you're going to have the x minus the 5 plus the 2x is equal to 0. Do we understand that problem, yes or no? We good? Excellent. Okay, number 13. Stackhouse. Okay, Kylie. Okay, you combine like terms, but it would be x plus 4 plus 2x plus 8 equals 0. But you weren't wrong. Good job. Okay, 14. Who wants it? Kevin? You were great until your third term. You did everything right into that third term. So let's take a gander at what number was this? 14. Okay, the first thing I want to do whenever we look at problem 14 is I want to get rid of the parentheses up top. So I'm going to make this a 13x minus 7 over 4 minus the 2 is equal to a 5x plus 1 over 12x plus 27 minus 3x over 8. Does everybody see that, yes or no? Okay, it's just getting rid of those parentheses makes it a little bit easier on top. Yes? Okay, now, what is my LCD between 4, 12x, and 8? 24. X, remember, you cannot forget your younger sibling at the mall. You have to let them tag along. So this 24x, the x has to tag along there. Do we all understand that? So 24x divided by 4. 6x. Drop down to 13x minus 7. Minus. What's 24x? What do I do with the 24x and the 12? Do I multiply them or divide them? Multiply them. So what's 24 times 2? 48x equals, go to the next fraction, 24x divided by 12x. Careful, I'm dividing. So 24 divided by 12 is going to be 2. What happens to my x's? They cancel out, so I have the 2 and I drop down the 5x plus the 1. Did you see that? Okay. Go to your last term. What is 24x divided by 8? 3x. And then drop down to 27 minus 3x. Do we see that? So now, what is 13x times 6x? 78x squared. What is 6x times negative 7? Negative 42x. Minus 48x just comes on down, equals 10x plus 2 plus, what is 3x times 27? 81x minus 9x squared. No fractions, no decimals, no parentheses. That one is done. Do we understand that problem? Does it make more sense? Okay, Tori, how about 15 for me? Very good. Do we all understand that? So 125x minus 625 plus 25x equals 50x minus 100. Number 16, Trevor, you're up to bat, buddy. Ready? Okay, you forgot to cancel out your x's on your second term. You with me? So what it should be is 180x squared, which you got, plus 24x, which you got, plus 36x minus 24 equals 63x. So just be very careful on that second term that you make sure you cancel out those x's. Okay, overall, I'm pretty happy with what you guys did. I'm going to come around and grade that here momentarily. Before I do that, though, I'm going to pass out tonight's homework. Now, tonight's homework is exactly the same, except today you are solving. Okay? So you are actually going to solve them. Okay? Now, what I did is I put all of the answers on the board. All of the answers are on the board already. So I'm going to get you started on number 1. Okay? Pick a problem on the front. Which problem do you want to do on the front? Pick a problem on the front. 8. Number 8. I knew it. Number 8. Okay. Why is 8 jacked up in your head? What's going on with 8? There's a fraction, and where is the fraction at? It's on the outside and on the inside. So when it's on the outside, it's no big deal to us. But when it's on the inside, we have to get it out of the parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and distribute first. So I'm going to have 1/3, and then distributing 1/3 x, sorry, minus 1/6. Do we all see that? Minus 1/4 x plus 1/12 is equal to 1/3. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? Are we all good? Okay, now tell me, what is my LCD between 3, 6, 4, and 12? 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this entire equation by 12. 12 divided by 3, 4, drop down the x, minus 12 divided by 6. Do I need the 1? 1 doesn't change anything. Minus 12 divided by 4. Do I need the x? Yes. Plus 12 divided by 12 equals 12 divided by 3, 4. So now let's go ahead and combine like terms. 4x take away 3x gives me how many x's? 1x. -2 plus 1 gives me -1 equals 4. Now what? Add 1, and I have x is equal to 5. And is that the answer? Yes, it is. Do we understand what I want you guys to do tonight? Are we good? Okay. For the rest of the period, you see the answers are over there on the board. I am actually going to write them in this recording as well, so everybody has the answers online. If you want to take a picture of the board over there, you may with your phone, so that you have the answers tonight, so that you know if you're right or wrong. Okay? You may work with your table partners. So I want you guys to start working right now. If you do not have a table partner, move to be with a table partner. If we are having an odd number of people, then go ahead and make a group of 3. Okay, tonight for homework. Every single person, I'm recording this now, so you guys will be able to have these answers tonight in your homework. If you want to know what these are, simply go to YouTube, pause it right here, and you have all the answers ready to go. Yes? All right? Any questions over what I just said? Are we good? All right.